Hi, I'm Robin. I lead the pattern development team here at Seamwork. Welcome to the You Can Sew Pants class. In this class, I'll be taking you through each step to sew the Nolan pants pattern. If you are new to sewing pants, or you just want some tips along the way, this class will be really helpful. We'll start with picking out a fabric, making a muslin. I'll cover a couple essential fit adjustments before we dive into sewing each step. Ready to meet Nolan? The Nolan pants are really fun to sew, and they're great for taking your sewing skills to the next level. These pants feature a relaxed fit with a bit of a utilitarian look. They are high-rise with a slight pegged leg, top-stitched front pockets, a cuffed hem, belt loops, and a zip fly. They also feature a contoured waistband to give you the best possible fit. If you're a Seamwork member, you will also be able to download another version of the pants that has an exposed button fly. If you're like many sewers, both beginner and experienced, the idea of making pants, especially very detailed pants like Nolan, may make you a teeny bit nervous. Let me put your mind at ease. We pulled out all of the stops to make these some of the simplest pants to construct as possible. This will be the easiest zipper fly you've ever sewn. We'll take you step by step for each part of the process. If sewing is an adventure, let us be your guide. What do you say we get started? In the next video, we'll pick fabric and gather our supplies.